Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to optimize your website under 5 minutes using Flash-Cache. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. So our quick caching solution goes by the name of Flash-Cache. Let's quickly see how it looks on the WordPress directory. So here is the Flash-Cache plugin. It is relatively new, however, it offers all the important features that you need to speed up your website. So it instantly, with just one click and without any configurations, helps you to optimize your website and to make it easier for your visitors to reach the site and reduce the waiting time. It creates enjoyable experience for your users, which is the most important aspect of your website, because remember the 5-second rule. So if you cannot catch your visitors' attention within 5 seconds, they are gone and you are left without any visitors. So here you can see that Flash-Cache has only 5-star ratings. So currently it has only 10 plus active installations, but as I've mentioned, the plugin is new and it grows very fast, so you better check it out again in the upcoming few weeks. And if you want to know how the plugin works like inside out, you can also subscribe to our channel to keep watching the tutorials that we're going to create further on the premium functionalities as well. But right now we're going to quickly just optimize the website under just 5 minutes. So you simply need to go to plugins, click on add new, and here we need to search Flash-Cache and again install and activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, this is how it will look on your dashboard. And I created a very interesting test so that you can see how the plugin actually does, like in action. So for that, we are going to try and optimize this page right here, this website right here, which is lagging because it is filled with a lot of images and videos on optimized content. So as you can see now, we did page speed. And as for now, without being optimized and without Flash-Cache, the plugin has mobile speed of 80 and desktop speed of 86, which both is very, very low. And especially now, it is very important to pay attention to mobile speed with the recent changes of Google algorithm. So once, I think you've seen this already, we need just to go back and we simply need to click right here and activate the Flash-Cache with just one click, enable the Flash-Cache, and then click on delete cache and click on save changes. And once you do that, simply all we need to do is to go back to reload the website, and also let's again put it to test. So let's copy the URL again and put it in the speed test right here, and we just wait for a second. And as you can see here, we have now the optimized version of the website. We have mobile speed of 90 and desktop speed of 99, which is spectacular. This is all you need, and as you can see, this is just under 5 minutes. All you did was to install the plugin, click on enable, delete cache, and you are good to go without any configurations. So this was it. For our today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. However, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit your notification bell, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!